was wondering who or what actually made you pursue a career in science?
Well, I always loved genetics, even when I was a kid. And I got a degree in biology as an undergraduate, but I didn't really want to work in the lab. And I also had taken a number of courses in statistics, and I enjoyed that. So I was very happy to learn about the field of genetic epidemiology and statistical genetics, where I could combine both my love of genetics and statistics in one field. So that's what got me started in this field.
Tell me a little bit about your scientific research.
So one of my big area of interest is method development, in particular analyzing sequence data and analyzing testing for association with rare variants. And I also study a number of complex and Mendelian traits. And one Mendelian trait that I've worked on extensively is non-syndromic hearing impairment in rather large families.
Have you faced obstacles in your career, and how did you overcome them?
I did have some situations where I realized that I was not receiving the same pay as my male colleagues, but I pointed this out. I was not shy about pointing this out, and it was very quickly rectified without much to do. So that was the main obstacle I had. But as far as career advancement, I think most of the setbacks I had nothing to do with being a woman. It's just your usual setbacks where maybe it takes you longer, say, to finish your doctoral degree than you planned.
Do you feel you've had to sacrifice anything because of your career?
No, actually not at all. I don't feel it's a sacrifice because I really love my work. And so working long hours actually does not bother me because I enjoy it so much. Sometimes I feel, a little worn out trying to balance with my family and my career, to spend enough time with my children and my husband. But I don't really feel like it was a sacrifice because it was my choice to do this career. And I don't think I would be the type of person that would be very happy staying home with children all day. I think I would really resent that, and it wouldn't be very good for my children either if I was staying at home with them, because I wouldn't be very happy. So I don't think I really had to sacrifice anything.
If there was one thing you could change about the scientific culture, what would it be?
Well, I think that we really don't see that women have the same opportunities as men in science. And it's not 100% clear what is holding them back. I think there's enough women in the past 15 or 20 years have made doctoral degrees. So there's no reason why there should be this discrepancy in the number of female professors and women in leadership positions. So it's definitely something other than availability. So I would like to see that women progress up into these positions, and we don't see this discrepancy anymore. It should be around 50% women and men in these positions.